Guys, how are you? I think everything is fine. Now we are moving to the problem. The problem number is 83 and the name of the problem is remove duplicates from sorted list. And the description we can see here the description. Given the head of a sorted linked list, delete all duplicates such that each element appears only once. Return the linked list sorted as well. So what we are going to do? In this problem, the problem is asking to remove all duplicates from the linked list. We can see here in example number 1. Here is 1 and 2 and the output will be 1 and 2. We are removing the 1 from the linked list. Okay. We can see here another example 1 1 2 3 3 and you can see here the output of this input. 1 2 3. So for if we use set in Python, it will automatically gives the answer. If we use set in Python, it will automatically gives the answer. You don't know how? You don't know how? Because set is a thing, set is a data type to store only unique value in the array. But we are not going to do. What will we do? We are going with another approach. We are traversing. First, we will traverse the whole linked list. Okay. Then compare each node with next node. And if the node is duplicate, then we skip that node. Then we skip to the next node. Okay. And actually, since the list is sorted, this itself is already optimal. So we have no need to set like unsorted case. Now you can see here but the since the list is sorted, duplicates are always adjacent. Just compare current value with next value, and then if the current value is not equal to next value, then it will be a unique value. Okay, and obviously the list is sorted. And what are we going to do? Then current value and in linked list we are not going to not we are not going to we are not going to create a variable name with head next because they are predefined in linked list. That's why we cannot use that as a variable. Okay. While current while current dot next we are comparing and current dot value current dot next dot value, then current dot नेक्स्ट इक्वल टू स्टोर कर देता हूँ ठीक है नेक्स्ट टू नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट डॉट नेक्स्ट स्टोर कर दिया उसके बाद क्या करेंगे हम करंट में क्या स्टोर कर देंगे नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टोर द वैल्यू इन करंट इक्वल टू करंट डॉट नेक्स्ट if we find these values like these and this and this will equally, then what are we going to do? We store current in current next. We store this value in this, and we skip this value. Okay. So this is the loop who is traversing whole linked list, and then return head. Now this is the code of this problem. I think it should work. Yes, it is working. And let's check with submission. So submit also. Yes, it is working well. I think this is what we are going to do. So now we are checking the time complexity of this problem. What will be the time complexity? I think the time complexity is only O of n, big O of n, because of we are traversing the whole linked list only once in our whole program. Why? Now you can see how. Now you can see how. Hey, listen, we are traversing through one to one to two only once on, and since this is the sorted list, so we cannot, so we are not, so there is no need to sort the list. I think it will work in once. That's why here this submission is, I think it will be O of n, and let's analyze this. Mm, yes, yes, you can see here O of n. Okay, suggest is also O of n, and current complexity is also O of n. Suggest perfect optimization achieved. No further changes needed for complexity. इससे ज्यादा हम नहीं कर सकते भाई कुछ भी, ठीक है, यही हम कर सकते हैं, बस इतना है इसमें। बाकी अगर हम सी से करते हैं, इफ वी आर गोइंग टू डू विथ सी, then it can be more fast more faster than this, because the Python is quite slower than the C. Okay, so this is the problem for today. Tomorrow, this is the problem for today, and tomorrow will be next problem in linked list, on linked list, not in. I am just improving my English speaking. Okay, so this is the code of the day. You can write the code, you can see the code, you can submit this code, and you will achieve the maximum. And of course, you can write this code and submit again, and you will find another runtime. Okay, it's all depend on how the cloud works. So this is the problem and this is the solution. Thank you guys for the watching this video. If you like the solution, then hit the like button, and if you like the content, then hit the subscribe button. We are uploading videos on daily basis on daily LinkedIn problem. Okay, thank you guys. Good night. Bye bye.